Today's video is brought to you by Innovative Touch. Today we're going to be working on the sink. A lady called about a sink that was leaking in one of the bathrooms downstairs, and she wanted to get the fittings changed out. And she also wanted to get the bathroom upstairs sink changed out because it had rust on it. So we're going to meet with the lady and see what she has to say. All right, you? So now that we got this new fitting on, I'll go ahead and connect these lines. Yeah, the problem that was happening was this old water thing wasn't no good. So we changing this out. We gotta change this one out too because now we got the new hoses and the new hoses not connecting the old fitting. So we gotta change that out next. I'm gonna change the sink out in the bathroom. She said the sink had a rust on it, so we're gonna come take this sink out, disconnect all of this, and we'll be back. So I'm gonna have to disconnect all of this on the bottom of the sink. Come back, take apart all of the water connections to the faucet. Boy, that shit crucial. I have to get it in. Get these got gnats flying around, so you know sometimes you have to work in conditions that you're not used to. Go ahead and take this P-trapper loose real quick.
Sounds like a motherfucking plumber, cuz.
Tap on that baby. Yep, take that one loose. Yeah. Got it. Yep, there you go. Yep, B-trap loose. Damn, I know I seen some connections for this. Okay. There we go. Get all this loose real quick. Got all that up for it. Damn, I'm
probably supposed to install this thing.
I'm about to pass me some water. Yeah, now I got the sink out, sink disconnected. So now that we got all these pieces put back together for the sink start, we're about to put in this. Next I'm gonna be connecting this plumbing. There we go. You know what I'm saying? As I put all my connections together, I'm going to be putting them on with some pipe tape to make sure I don't have no leaks. Get everything put together on the sink. Caulked around the sink. Got everything done. Got everything shined up. Got no leaks. Everything looking good. Everything brand new. Come back up here. Check everything out, making sure ain't nothing leaking. Got that fresh caulk around, you know, everything cleaned up, everything looking nice and professional. Like get your sink cleaned up real quick. Make sure ain't nothing leaking. Everything good. Until next time, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Dirty318 or on YouTube at Dirty318. It's all the same. Just pull me up, look me up, search me, you're gonna find me. I'm all over the web.